In this next video, we're going to be placing a multi-date order through a catalog. So I'm already logged in and I'm going to go ahead and select the catalog that I would like to order from. And as you saw in the previous video, you click the Start Order button, and from here we're going to select multi-date. So please note we do have to enter a order name. So I'm going to say Winter 1. And then I'm going to start creating my dates. So for this one, let's go with November 1st. And with my second order, I'm going to add December 1st. And as I said before, all brands are different. This brand asks for an inventory location, and I've selected California. So let's start shopping and start filling our cart. So I am going to just jump into the catalog and start adding things to my shopping bag. So as you notice, when you click the small shopping bag, instead of the item going directly into the cart, you're now given two dates. So let's add this suit to my 11/1 date, and let's jump over to this one and do 12/1. And now for the bikini top right here, let's add this to 11/1. So now we have two different orders going at one time from one specific catalog. So let's go into the cart and see what that looks like. And now you see what we have is our merch view. So we have two different order dates, two different orders started, and we didn't add quantity if you recall, so we can do that in the cart view. But what I wanted to show you now is this column right here. So in the far left column that says products, these are all of the items in that in-season collection catalog that we were viewing from. So what we can do is add additional items to my order. We could even add a third order date. Let's say we wanted to add January 1. But for now, let's just add additional items to one of our orders. So let's look at this one right here. I'm going to click the check mark. And as you see, it immediately added this button and it says add products to orders. So I'm going to select my December 1 date. And if you notice, it always says the day before. So let's add that. And now we have two orders going. So from here, we also can add our quantity like we did in the previous video. Let's add our quantity really quick and update. And you can even delete items, but let's go ahead and finish our quantity for this particular order. Update. So now we have a November 1 order and a December order. Please, I encourage you to play around because you can click buttons to zoom in. There's a few different things you can do, but for now, let's just go ahead and process the order. So these three buttons right here, you'll see that we can open our cart, we can clone the order, or we can delete. So let's go ahead and open my cart. And as you see, we're now in a new window and we are in the cart view. But we do have to edit our cart because this is now a pre-book order. So let's go into the enter order details. And actually, before I do that, always click action required and it'll tell you what you need to fix. So let's go into the enter order details and we are going to change this order from at once to pre-book. And we also need to enter a PO. So let's call this PO Winter 1 and then click save. And I want to note really quick, so now you see this looks like a normal order. We could continue shopping, but if we wanted to go back into that merch view, we could. So we could go back into the merch view and see the multi-date order we had from the catalog and continue adding from this catalog. But let's go ahead and check out, open the cart, We have, let's see what we need to do now. Oh, this is the other cart. So let's quickly add our quantities. And our order type, which was pre-book. And let's do winter 2 and click save. So now let's go ahead and check out. We are going to check out. And you might be wondering, how can I view my last order? What you're going to do is go into the My Orders tab and you can see the order you started. So let's go into that order. And we have my winter 1 right here. So this is the cart view. And again, we could go back into that merch view, but we've already checked out. So let's go ahead and open this cart. We have already updated the order type, added the quantity, and we can go ahead and check out. So this is an option for multi-date ordering from catalogs. There's lots of options. You can absolutely go into the My Order tab and see all of your orders, edit your orders, and just do what works best for you as a buyer. Thank you.